In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download and install the Surfshark VPN on your PC. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to do is open any browser that you prefer using and search for Surfshark download and click on the first link and click on download app. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select whatever you're using. So either a iOS, Mac OS, Linux, or even Windows app. Simply select that. And as you can see, the download process is going to start for the setup. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the folder of where it has been downloaded and simply go ahead and run the Shark setup. Simply let it have the administrator permission, and then it will start extracting the main application files on your PC and start installing automatically. Once it is installed, you can simply go ahead and start using. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.